In this video, I'm going to show you 10 Afro hairstyles. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to tell me which style you love the most in the comment section, and let's jump straight into the video. So for the first look, I'm going to be using this velvet hairband. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on. Whew, so much hair. Okay, definitely hairbands and scarves. You already know I love scarves. Are definitely a good option if you want your natural hair to look cute. If you know what I mean. Like, I mean, just okay. For the next, I am going to be wearing a cap. Caps are cute. Obviously, you want to use a cap that is open so the whole world can see how beautiful your afro is. So make sure you don't let your afro get stuck in this, guys. Don't let that happen to you. So I'm just gonna do this. Can you see how cute this look is? I just look like a badass. Okay, so for the next look, oof, be careful about this, guys. Don't let your afro get stuck in that. You do not want that. For the next look, I am going to be okay, so let's do this. I'm just gonna divide my hair into, I did not fluff my afro, so it's, I don't like fluffing my afro, guys. I don't like fluffing my afro at all, actually. Oh, but it's so annoying, you know, when you just have hair everywhere. Okay. You're done. So I'm going to be using this cute bands, guys, that I got from Fashion Accessories. I'm just gonna leave the name down here. Okay, so I don't know what colors to choose. I think I'm just gonna use pink and purple. Can I pink and purple? You know, pink. Oh, I'm gonna leave some hair in front. I'm just gonna leave some hair in front. Some hair in front. Some hair in front. Okay, I think these are equal. Okay. Yep. Yep. And then I'm going to twist this area. Just twist it down, 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 down. Dun, 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 dun. Okay guys, so yeah, this is one look. This is definitely like, oh my god, like I love this look. Like, it makes it look so cute, so cute. Okay guys, so guys, another way to do this is to actually, take the hair and kind of fold the hair down, right, like this. I'm gonna do that again. Like this, okay, like this. So yeah, just fold the hair down. If you don't want your hair to be like puffy, it's kind of cute, but I definitely prefer this. So yeah, let's go to the next hairstyle. I have just cut this part in a semicircle, right, and I'm just gonna pat this in a bun. Hair. Okay, I'm just gonna pat this twist, right? I'm just gonna twist this. So okay, you can definitely leave your hair like this, or you could just take down the twist. That way you have a twist out. So you can really do anything you want, because I feel like my hair is all over the place right now. Like, I really feel like my hair is all over the place. What do you guys think? Leave it like this, but take it down. I really know. Man, wasn't this long before this. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And I got this cute bead clip from the spot that I said I'm gonna leave. So I don't know, should I put this here? Nah. Put this here. Now I'll put this here. Right. Does it look cute? Or should I put this the other way? I think it definitely looks cuter like this. So it's just like, yeah. And all that. All that. Goodness. Okay guys, so next thing, so I feel like I'm using this pink too much. I'm going to change this to purple. My hair is even getting into the, hey. So we're going to just do this. Okay. And we have ourselves a tiny pineapple. This is the next hairstyle, guys. Don't forget to tell me your favorite hairstyle in the comments section, guys. Don't forget to do that. This is the next hairstyle. And you can definitely change this up. You can definitely divide this into two, right? You can definitely divide this into two. This is my phone. Okay. Divide and divide and multiply. Divide and multiply. Okay, okay. Ooh, okay. I can definitely just, yeah. Okay. Let me use this. And oh my god. Winifred, why are you so cute? Yay. So for next hairstyle, we are going to divide the hair into, guys, so I'm going to divide my hair into three. I'm just going to cut this like that anyway, without seeing line. And this has definitely given me an idea. It has definitely given me an idea for another hairstyle. But okay, I'm just gonna turn so you guys can see the side, right? Oh god, I hope you guys can see the side. Because like, I can't really see what I'm showing you, but I just basically packed my hair in three, and the lines are not straight like I said before, so please just ignore that, but you get the idea of the hairstyle. Pack your hair in three, and that's so. For my next hairstyle, I want to see how this would look if I like folded it down, you know. I just kind of folded it down. I folded it, okay, it looks cute. Cute-ish actually. So guys, you can do that. So you can just fold the hair down if you don't want it to be too puffy. So that's another hairstyle. Hey. So fold this down and fold this down. In fact, I'm just gonna fold it safe. I'm just gonna do that. So hey, why are you embarrassing me now? Why are you embarrassing me? Okay, so you get what I'm talking about now. This is the other hairstyle. Okay, so guys, for the next hairstyle, I'm going to be using this bobby pins, and they're brown. If you notice, they're not black, and I kind of like the fact that they're brown because My hair is brown. My hair is in black. It's red, my hair is in black. So we're gonna do the same thing to the next side. Oh, they're really oily, guys. Oh, really oily. Because my hair is oily. So guys, the next hairstyle is obviously a mohawk. So yeah, this is my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. Tell me guys, do you love this style? It just gives you this some kind of vibes, like some bad girl vibes. So this is the next hairstyle, and I think we should be down to like the last hairstyle now. So for my next hairstyle, I just cut this area, right, and I'm going to pack the back. I think I should pink. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. So yeah, I'm packing this in a bun, right? Ooh. And I have these cute sleepies, still from the same hair store. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to just leave a link. I'll leave their name so you can follow them on Instagram. So I'm going to do this. I don't know how to flat twist, but I just kind of, I try. You can just fold the hair if you want, or if you can flat twist. Flat twist, just do what you can, right? So just get your hair like this. So you just find a place to, pin it in, and you can use this cute sleepy, so it's like pin it in somewhere. Okay, I'm going to use 2 right now. Okay, this is like 6. And this is like 4. So just pin this in the back of my hair. I don't even know what it looks like. I don't know what it looks like from behind, but from the front you can see. I just cut, the line is not straight. Please don't judge me. So you just cut your hair all the way and then put in a puff. And yeah, just find a way to style the hair, right? So guys, for my last and final look, or will this be the final look? I don't even know. Like, hairstyles are just coming in, but just relax. So I'm going to just first of all pack my hair in a bun. I'm going to just pack my hair in a basic bun first, right? Oh. So yes. Oh. Yeah. First of all, then there's this stick scarf that I have. So I'm just gonna fold it into like a triangle, and then fold it from the tip down like this, and then I'm gonna tie. Just push this behind. Nah, maybe it could just hang down. Oh no, okay, let's tighten that and kind of make like a tiny. Okay. Awkward. Looks kind of awkward, but trying to make it bow. Okay. So that's kind of like a bow. It's not really a bow, but it's a bow because I mean this bow and wool, right? Anyway, so yeah, guys, this is the last hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.